My name is Mahrukh Tariq and I'm going to show you my part of project that is basically app development of skincare products recommendation system with flask integration. So the title of our app is Dermate. It is skincare app and I'm going to show you the app. Here is the welcome screen. Here is jump in home navigation that is going to open the home screen, and here are the logos of YouTube and Instagram pages of Dermate. That is basically here. Here is the video uploaded about our app, and it is the Instagram page of our Dermate app. So then I'm going to jump in home. So here you can see it. Here is the Dermate logo, menu of skincare categories in which it contains all screens, and I'm going to show you the later. Here is generated skin type and acne detection model in which user going to upload the image, and here is the instructions that image should be clear, high quality, unfiltered for proper skincare type and acne level prediction. I'm going to upload any image basically. So it is coming, images are coming, and I'm going to upload any image and it will show you the results. And also it is loading. So it is predicted that probability of dry skin for this image is higher than combination and oily skin, and acne level, as we can see in this image, it is normal. So it is generated skin type and acne detection. So here we can see the ingredients that mainly we can use, or we can check when we are buying the products. So for dry skin we can check the mainly the ingredients that mainly we can use: hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid, rosehip oil. That is basically good for dry skin. Basically then I'm going to so it is basically going to recommend the products, that is basically product recommendation, that it is going to recommend the product regarding the which skin type is predicted. So it is predicted the dry skin type, so it is going to show you the product recommendation for dry skin, for dry skin and dry products हमारे पास आ जाएंगे. So get recommendations. So here we're going to so these are the products with product name and with skin concern solution, main skin concern solution by this product. And here is the purchase link in which we are going in which we can see the ingredients and we can buy the products. So basically it is the marketing category. So basically we can buy the products from here, from the link. That is basically, so it is going to show you the buy product page, and you can you can buy the product from here. So all products have the links and you can buy the products from there. And so basically these are all the face moisturizers for dry skin, you can see. And then with all skin concerns solutions, these are the cleansers for dry skin. These are the this is the mask and peel. These are the eye creams categories, and these are the sunscreens that is predicted and recommended for the dry skin type that is predicted above. So here so we are going to check for other skin types as well. I am going to upload the image, any image. That is basically, so we are going to see the results. So the image is uploaded and results are coming. So it is predicted the probability of oily more than a combination and dry, and its acne level is moderate. So we can check the main ingredients that we can check for when we are going to buy the products, that is basically for oily oily products के लिए हमारे पास आ गए हैं retinol, salicylic acid, vitamin C. So basically these ingredients are good for the oily skin. So I'm going to get the recommendation for oily skin. So basically it is going to show you that products, that the image, that the skin type that is predicted. So if there is predicted oily skin, so if we are going to get the recommendation, so it will show you the recommendations of so here are the face moisturizers for oily skins. So basically same, these are the face moisturizers, and we can buy any products from going this link, and we can buy from here. Super light moisturizers, green tea super light moisturizer. So we can buy this face moisturizer from here. These are the face moisturizers, these are the cleansers, mask and peels, eye cream, sunscreen. So we can check for any skin type. So basically it is showing the skin types, and you can upload the image, and skin type is predicted for your skin mainly. So the probability of combination is predicted. We can see that it is the combination skin, it is looking in the image, and acne level is severe. So it is predicted, and we can check for combination ingredients. We can check peptides, benzoyl peroxide, and vitamin C's are basically good ingredients for combination skin. We are going to get the recommendation for the combination skin, and in a minute it will show you the combination skin products. So these are the face moisturizers for combination skin. Okay, so these are the cleansers, mask and peel, eye creams, and sunscreens. So this is basically product recommendation and acne level and skin type predicted in our app. I'm going to show you the about app, about our app. So it is basically contains the about section of our app, of how skincare is important, and how this Dermate app will help you in your skincare journey. Our app main feature a skin type questionnaire that I'm going to show you later, and skincare product recommendation that we see ingredient checker हम देखेंगे, skincare routine, that is basically then future work we can add dermatologist for better acne level and skin concerns detection, feedback system improve कर सकते हैं, that I'm going to show you. We have also feedback system in our app, that database को हम वो लोग wide range में लेके जा सकते हैं, and app user interface को हम user अच्छा इसके अलावा हमारे पास क्या है कि कुछ videos हैं. We have some videos for awareness of users of skin types, about skin type, acne skin types हैं, acne के लिए हमारे पास हैं. तो ये basically so here a user can check their skin type basically with questionnaire or quiz. What is your main skin concern? Dryness and flakiness. Do you have visible pores? Barely noticeable. How do your skin feels? Get tighten or dry? How do your breakouts? 1 to 2 times a month. Okay. Nourishing cream. Those were comfortable. Feeling peeling or irritation. So your skin type is dry. So the answer is your skin type is dry. So user can check their skin type according to their skin situation with this questionnaire or quiz, and the skin type will be detected whether it is dry, oily, or combination. Then we have visually skin type. So user can match their skin situation with this image, so which best suits you. For example, if user has skin situation like oily T-zone, normal, dry cheeks, it is on number 4. So user have combination skin. If you have feels oily all over, so user have oily skin. So if you have red irritated tight patchy skin, so it is on number 5. So you have drier sensitive skin. Okay, you can check your skin type visually also. Then here is the ingredient checker for acne. For example, if user have concern before buying the products that its ingredient can cause acne or not, they can check their ingredients here. For example, if you have concern about salicylic acid, okay, it doesn't cause acne. If you have, it may cause acne paraben. If you have concern, okay, azelaic acid, so it doesn't cause acne. So you can check your ingredients here in the ingredient checker for acne. Then we have daily routine. So user can check and follow the skincare routine. If they have dry skin, if they have combination skin, or if they have oily skin, they can follow these skincare routine for better skincare journey. For dry skin, you can go through cleansing, toning, moisturizing, sun protection category. If you have combination, exfoliating, hydrating, and so on for oily skincare routine. Okay, so this is feedback system. Our feedback system, you can see, give your feedback about app. Okay, your feedback, very great, recommended system. Okay, enter full name, Mahrukh. Enter your email. Okay, gender is basically female. Okay, I'm going to give the 5 stars. Okay, feedback is submitted. Okay, we can check all the other users feedback that users has given. Okay, so here all the users that have given. Okay, here are all the users. Okay, okay, so there is feedback for from all users, we can check. Okay, and here is the feedback added from my side, that now I have given the feedback. Mahrukh Tariq. And okay, very great commenter system, very impressive, really needed commenter system, female. Okay, great app. Also, okay, sentiment is basically the star that users have given in the feedback. So this is about app. Thank you so much.